Ever wondered how pure 24K gold is made? From deep inside the earth to molten furnaces to shiny bars stored in high-security vaults. Today we take you on a journey from the mine to the refinery to the final gleaming bars of gold. High above rugged mountains, massive open-pit gold mines stretch as far as the eye can see. Enormous excavators and trucks move tirelessly across the dusty terrain. Miners work below, carefully extracting gold-bearing rocks hidden deep within the earth. Inside, the miners equipped with full safety gear mark and measure ore-rich veins. Each drill hole and chalk line is planned meticulously to target the highest purity gold. Dust rises as pneumatic drills crack the rocks, breaking them into smaller, manageable fragments. Controlled blasting breaks the larger rock formations. Slow motion captures debris and dust clouds rising, a visual reminder of the raw power needed to access gold. Giant excavators lift massive boulders from the ground. They carefully load the rocks into heavy dump trucks, each carrying tons of precious ore. These trucks leave the mine, clouds of dust trailing behind, heading toward the refinery. At the refinery gates, security checks ensure that every truck and load is accounted for. Only gold-bearing material is allowed into the processing area, maintaining strict protocols. Dumpers lift and release raw ore into industrial crushers. The machines roar as rocks collide, breaking down the ore into smaller pieces. Sparks and dust fly naturally, showing the intensity of the mechanical process. Conveyor belts carry crushed ore through the factory. The motion is continuous, moving the gold from one stage to the next efficiently. Secondary crushers further reduce the rocks, preparing them for grinding. Inside the grinding mill, rotating cylinders pulverize the ore into fine golden powder. Camera pans reveal the scale and activity of the machinery. Macro shots capture the shimmering powder slipping through a worker's hands. Fine as dust, yet full of value. The gold powder is then mixed with water inside large chemical tanks. Solutions bubble and react, carefully monitored to extract the gold from impurities. The process is scientific and precise, ensuring maximum recovery of precious metal. Engineers in the control room observe every stage. Screens display real-time data as filtration units and activated carbon tanks separate gold from the solution. Close-ups show the gold adhering to carbon, signaling successful extraction. This marks the final stage of Part 1, as the extracted gold is now ready to move into smelting and further refining. From the depths of the mine to this moment, the journey of gold demonstrates the precision, technology, and care required to transform raw ore into pure 24K gold. Now the extracted gold moves to the smelting stage. In the furnace, intense heat melts the gold, transforming it from solid particles into glowing molten liquid. The scale and precision of the furnace show how carefully temperature is controlled to achieve purity. Molten gold flows smoothly from the furnace into molds. The liquid metal glows brilliantly under the furnace light. Slow motion captures the golden flow, highlighting the incredible transformation from extracted powder to tangible bars. Once poured, the gold begins to cool, forming solid door bars. Smoke rises slightly as the metal settles, and workers carefully remove the bars from the molds. These solid bars are the first tangible form of gold ready for further refining. The gold then moves to the refining laboratory. Here, scientists and engineers
you can see the smoke
use electrolytic and chemical methods to purify the gold further. Every tank, instrument, and tool is designed specifically for gold processing. Electrolytic cells purify the gold by passing electrical current through the solution. Gold particles adhere to electrodes separating from impurities. Meanwhile, chemical refining ensures maximum purity, producing 24K gold ready for casting. The molten gold is poured into final molds, forming perfect gold bars. Camera captures the precise process, showing each bar taking shape. Once cooled, the bars are removed and undergo quality checks. Each gold bar is scanned in X-ray machines for structural integrity. Weight measurements are taken, and purity is confirmed with the 999.9 marking. Close-up shots show serial numbers being engraved, adding traceability and authenticity. The refined gold bars are then vacuum sealed for protection. High-security vaults store the finished bars safely. Camera pans across rows of gleaming 24K gold, emphasizing the scale and value of the refined metal. Finally, a single gold bar is highlighted, slowly rotating against a black background. Its shine and texture symbolize the completion of a long journey.